Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add watermark on your videos using the CapCut PC. First, of course, you need to add your videos into the CapCut PC timeline like this. Then you can start by going to the tags options at the top, add default tags. Here, change the tags with your watermark. For example, I'm going to go with my YouTube channel's name. Okay, like this. Here you can change the font to how you like it. I'm going to go with impact, and you can also adjust the size. And don't forget to adjust the length for the whole clip. And you can put it anywhere you like. For example, I'm going to just put it in the bottoms just like this. Don't forget to adjust the opacity, so you can scroll down and here find opacity option. You can lower it so that it will become transparent like this. You can adjust it to how you like it. I'm going to go with 20%. So this is how you can add watermark on CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.